So I went from this key to this key for £35, and this is how. So first thing you need to do is open this part and take that key out and check here what numbers you have, which is 434. That's what you need to order this key to be. So there's a choice of 300 and something, 434 and 800. So you got to order according to the numbers here, which I did. And then the next thing you need to do is take a box cutter and just separate this. This is glued on very well, and watch your fingers. You got to be careful with the whole thing, because when you're messing around with boards and stuff, you got to be very careful that you don't damage anything. Obviously, it needs to be a working key. That you can't stress that enough. Like, it has to be a working key, otherwise it will not work. So after you've got your working keys chip taken off and this blank chip taken off, and put the actual one from your old one onto this, that's it. It will work completely fine without any programming. So watch this. The boot does work as well, but the only thing is I'm not going to press that because I'll have to go out and close it. So I'm not going to do that. We've got that little chip in the middle is what was transferred over from the old one to this one. And now we should be able to use the new key. Obviously, we need to build it back up. But he even put the new ones chip in here, which is the chip, like the empty chip. So that's on there as well, and that's the one from our actual key. The way that I done mine was I took it to a friend of mine who owns a phone shop, and I had him remove the chips and put the chip from here, the original chip from my old key, into the new key. The reason I took it to him was everyone was asking for like £150 was the cheapest one I could find who would do this. Obviously, there is a risk factor of burning the chip, but this friend of mine I've known, he's owned that phone shop for about 10 years, and he's messing around with chips way smaller than that. So I trusted him completely to be able to remove this chip and put it onto this one. And I paid the phone shop £10 to do that. This is now my main key. The weight difference is huge. I'll put it up right now. I'll put a little cutout to show you guys what the difference is in weight. But the feel of it, it feels so much more premium. Like, it feels so nice. This is how much I bought this blank for. Let's see if we can. This isn't in the £35 that I actually paid for this. You need to get this blank key done as well. I took that to another friend who owns a key shop, so he done that for £5 for me. You also need to buy a BMW badge. Be careful, because the ones on eBay, sometimes it shows you, and that's how it came, like that blue, which is nowhere near what that blue is. So I was careful this time, and I bought the one that actually looks like it. So that's all, and that was like £2 for that, £5 for cutting the key part. What's that, £7 more, and £43 all in for this, whereas we would have paid £150 to anyone else. So saving about £103 there, which is well worth it. You could get 2 keys, 3 keys done for the price they're asking. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.